YouTube, family. What's up, y'all? This your boy Supercharge _9. Check it back in with another video, man. Just getting off work or whatever. Trying to get y'all a little late night content for me getting out of work and shit. Get y'all a little POV footage on my way to the crib and shit like that. Well, things like that, I ain't mean to cuss y'all. Sorry about the language, but yeah, little POV footage of me on the highway on my way to the crib. Today was pretty cool, laid back today. Sweet work life. So, I just wanted to tap in with my people, give y'all some content, and a POV footage. And, a little POV footage. Just gonna be about it on this one. Little snip pick. Cold start, could be, on Big Jew. But yeah, make sure y'all hit the like, share, subscribe button for me. And don't forget to hit the bell for me too. Big Jew, y'all. Little late night footage of it. Got the running lights on. I gotta get one of these lights fixed. Let me check my tires. Tires all good now. They back in order now and shit like that. So yeah, probably need some more. Nah, that's tire good. That tire good. Let me give y'all a little cold start. Let me let y'all hear that thing where I start up. Y'all hear that exhaust, boy? Stop playing, boy. Y'all hear that exhaust, boy? Little cold start. In the parking lot, still at work. I gotta grind don't stop. I'm gonna show y'all my homie shit too, though. Let me show y'all, look. Yeah, one of these lights I gotta fix. Oh, it's this one. That light got to be fixed. I ain't put a bulb in that one. That one gotta be fixed. It might not look like it, but that one gotta be fixed. That one right there gotta be fixed. That one right there. Kind of cold out here. So we give y'all a little walk around. The Big Jew, kind of cold. But look, quick glimpse. Let y'all see my homie stuff too. One of them got a 392 Charger, and the other one got a 392 Challenger. They want me to, go get some footage on it. So I'm gonna get some footage on it before I leave here. I'm gonna show y'all that. Probably show y'all all three of them lined up. Back to back, it's pretty cold, but I'm gonna try to make the best of it though, y'all. I'm gonna try my best to make the best of it. So yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all back when I get over that though. Okay, my boys got that 390. I told you my boys got the 392s outside, boy. Boy got the 392s outside. My boy got that dark blue joint, stock wheel still. Don't play with him. You can't see the 392 badge, boy. They go to badge right there, though. They go to badge right there. You probably can't see it all the way, but they go to badge right there. How clean it is. Put a little light to it. It's kind of dark. Kind of dark right here. Yeah, my boy got them 392s outside. Scat pack style. Seal. Blue, fresh and clean. Next lane. Okay, they coming up, boy. They coming up. Next lane. My boy Next Lane J right here. He I don't know which one it is. This is 392, I believe, too. We just D-badge though. D-badge 392. Next Lane J. Shout out to my boy. He kind of dirty, but hey, he like me in the front. He look just like me. Dirty and all, but hey, we gotta get it though. He D-badge the joint, so you can't see what it is or know what it is. So yeah, that's the 392 boys. My boys clean as hell though. I ain't gonna flex. They coming up. Big Jew right there. Big Jew. Supercharged. I just want to show y'all a little bit of my boys 392s right here though. One more look at them. Mopar status. Get down on them, shorty. Get down on them, shorty. Now let me get my stick. 392 style, shorty. I had to get the stick out now. It's back right now. Look, we still at work. Still at work getting that content, boy. Everybody outside. Everybody at work, not outside. I'm the only one getting off, but I need to be getting this car so I can head to the crib. I'm catch y'all when I hit the highway. Alright, y'all. Your boy leaving out the parking lot now. The late night POV. Late night POV with Big Jew. Man, I gotta figure out why the fuck is why the heck is that battery light come on? It ain't losing no power, but I think I gotta replace the battery module. So that's about the third thing I gotta fix. Try to figure out why that battery light keep coming on. I don't know why that battery light keep coming on. But it's not, like I said, I'm not losing no power. Oh, sorry about that. Let me turn the copyright off. I ain't losing no power or nothing like that. Well, it's not dying out, but I just keep on losing. Well, I'm not losing, but the light just keep coming on. It'll come on, then it'll go off. Come on, then go off. But then once it go off, when the first time it come on, it stay on for a while. But then when it go off, it's gonna stay off, for the rest of the time. I guess the battery or the alternator or whatever the case may be charged up by that time. I don't know. But I gotta figure out why that battery light come on like that, though. Trucks moving. I mean, trucks driving down this I'm right on US 30 right now. We in Maryville, Indiana, US 30. But yeah, got a little POV footage of it when I get the highway. Man, 'cause it's cold as heck outside right now. Okay, you see them? We see Speedway over here. Speedway. 170 on the dash. It's who was pulling up on the side of me? We got everybody pulling up on me. I'm just getting out of work. I'm trying to get to the crib, B. I'm tired, so I just wanted to shoot y'all a little content tonight. A little POV. Like I said, though, get y'all a little content before I go in the crib. Get y'all some, what can I'm gonna get y'all tonight? Got enough gas to get y'all some little play around. So y'all can see that joint, hear that joint, see how I actually ride. It ain't no foo-foo. You gotta get that, like I said, you gotta get that light off. I'm back good. I think I know what it is though, cause I went to AutoZone. They tested my my battery and my alternator. Them two was good. So my next step, I'm thinking, is the battery module that's in the trunk. I think it's going bad. So I'm thinking that's what it is. I'm not too for sure, but I'm gonna change that to see if that's what it is. If that's what it is, then hey, I'm fine with that, cause that ain't nothing but a plug and a play. And rather than taking my stuff to the shop and letting it sit. Come on, man, hurry up, get over so I can get on this highway, boy. I'm ready to get on this highway so I go to the crib, shorty. Go to the crib and relax. Everybody get on the highway. At least everybody trying to get on the highway. This slow truck up here needs to come on. Hear that joint, boy? That ain't even a sports mode, boy. That ain't no sports mode, boy. That's just regular. Regular mode. You hear that whine, boy? Like Boston Red say. Yeah, we on the highway now, y'all. We getting the highway. Got these trucks pulled over right now. I guess they getting them some rest. Or they just on their brake time. One of the two. We got that though. Alright, enough of the turn signal. Don't know what's out here tonight, so I gotta be kind of careful out here tonight, but he out a little drive for it. Little driving. Yeah, a little bit of it until I get to the crib. At least highway to the crib, then I'm gonna shut it off. I know that feeling right there. Know that feeling. Let me hop over here. Let me hop over here in this fast lane, boy. Get this fast lane for y'all. That's just regular. That's just regular, boy. Y'all know what I'm saying? I'm in regular mode. I ain't in dynamic or eco. I'm in regular, so. That wasn't even real fast. That was just some slight regular mode. Slapped 100. Let me see if I can switch it over. Let me make sure ain't no 12 getting on the highway, because it might be some getting over there. No, this ain't 12. Semi. What is this right here? Nah, that ain't 12. I thought that was 12. That ain't them. Damn, Jody. Hold this, try to hold this, give y'all some footage, and try to switch it over. It's gonna be a mug. But I'm about to try to do it though. Y'all gonna see the dashboard turn colors. If it let me do it. Alright. You see the dashboard turn red? It went from blue to red. Now I'm up there, boy. It loosened up the motor, not the motor, but it loosened up the trans a little bit to give it that pull. It's cold right now, so you probably can't hear my baby whining. It's cold right now. You hear that wind? No, there's too much wind outside. That's a grill, boy. Trying to get there, boy, as fast as possible. Oh, going around the corner, going around the bend. Going around the bend, going around the bend. Woo, see that boy, got them drifter skills, little shorty now. Let me slow down real quick, because I'm getting closer to my neck of the woods, and I don't know how 12 is outside around my neck of the woods. know I'm going through the trenches, short. I don't know. Let me slow down going around this bend. They might be sitting on the side of the highway, fucking around with them. Outside late though. About 10 o'clock my time. I don't know what time it is y'all time. About 10 o'clock my time though. Playing around on this highway. Let me play around on this highway a little bit. Tone it down a little bit. Tone it down a little bit. Tone it down a little bit, cause I don't know what's out here though. I can't afford no tickets. I'm gonna tone it down a little bit for y'all though. I just wanna give y'all a little test run on it. I'm done at the crib, shit. About 3 more eggs, I'm done at the crib. But make sure y'all hit the like, share, subscribe button for me. We almost at home now. Me and baby almost at the crib, man. I'm just give y'all a little highway, let y'all see the highway. Gonna come out of there. Gonna come out of this boy supposed to stop there. Go back to regular. See, I put it back to regular. Y'all took some of my gas away, boy. You see how much gas I had in our first started to Detroit? Man, I ain't got that much gas left. I was playing, take me through there, take me through there. No, boy. I'm gonna get y'all back though, man. I hope y'all enjoy the content. Hope y'all enjoy the content and everything. Make sure y'all hit the like, share, subscribe button for me. I'm gonna, you know, comment if y'all want to see any more videos or any type of content with the Jaguar, man. Hit the comment for me. I'm gonna try my best to make it happen for y'all, man. I'm doing it for me and y'all, not just for me. I'm doing it for me and y'all. So yeah, we got some more updates on it. I'm gonna be updating y'all probably in my next video on what we got going on with it. So I know next week I gotta go get an oil change next week. Get an oil change and some more things looked at next week. So I'm gonna be showing y'all that if do, you know, not do, but if the place let me shoot my content there. So yeah, man. Once again though, make sure y'all hit the like, share, subscribe button for me, man. I can't press this enough, bro. I'm trying to really, you know, push myself and push the content out as much as I can, but I can't do it if I don't got the, you know, the help and the support. So make sure y'all comment on the videos. Let me know what y'all want to see, what can make the channel better, what make the content better. Not the channel, but make the content better. And shit, rock out with your boy, man. Hit y'all in the next video.